Let me ask you something most men never stop to consider. What if her silence doesn't mean she's moved on? What if it's not confidence but confusion? What if the more you pull away, the more you're driving her crazy? Most guys panic when a woman goes quiet. They think she's done, they think it's over. So what do? They break no contact, send a message, try to fix things. But here's the truth. When a woman starts to feel your absence, it doesn't go unnoticed. In fact, it triggers a series of powerful emotional reactions she'll never admit out loud. And if you're not careful, you'll miss every single sign. In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 undeniable signs that your silence is driving her wild, whether she shows it on the surface or not. Watch closely, because once you see the truth behind her behavior, you'll never chase again. Let's dive in. Sign number 1, she panics and reaches out. When you suddenly go silent on a woman who's used to your regular attention, her reaction might surprise you. She panics. It's not just confusion, it's an emotional jolt. Women are incredibly intuitive about changes in behavior. So if you've been texting or calling consistently and then stop out of the blue, she will notice. And that silence hits hard. You've unknowingly removed the emotional security blanket she had with you. Without your texts, good mornings, or check-ins, she starts to wonder, did I do something wrong? Did he lose interest? Is he seeing someone else? This panic can drive her to reach out in subtle or direct ways. She might send a quick, hey, just checking on you, or haven't heard from you, everything okay? On the surface, it looks like concern. But underneath? It's an attempt to regain emotional control and test if she still has access to your attention. Many women, especially those who secretly enjoyed your presence more than they let on, won't realize how important your presence was until it vanishes. The key here, don't react too fast. Most guys make the mistake of instantly replying, explaining, or even apologizing. Don't do that. Keep your cool. Respond calmly if you must, but don't dive back in emotionally. This isn't about playing games, it's about holding your ground. Your silence has already spoken. Now let her response show whether her interest runs deeper than you thought. Sign number 2, she pretends she doesn't care. One of the most common defense mechanisms women use when you pull back is pretending that it doesn't bother them. It's almost instinctive. She'll act like your silence doesn't faze her. No reaction, no message, just a cool girl attitude. But let's be real. If she truly didn't care, she wouldn't have to try so hard to prove it. This indifference usually shows up in subtle ways. Maybe she doesn't respond to your last message, or she starts posting things online that scream, "Look at how happy I am without you." She might even start flirting with others publicly, or showing off her new life to make sure you notice. But all of that, it's for you, every bit of it. She's trying to create the illusion that she's unfazed, when in reality, your silence has disrupted the comfort she had with your attention. Here's where many men get it wrong. They see her coldness and assume it's real. So they panic, reach out, try to fix it. But that only gives her the control back. What you need to do is stay firm, let her pretend. Because over time, the act gets harder to keep up. Eventually, she'll stop performing and start reflecting. The more you hold your ground, the more her mask will slip. The truth is, indifference that needs to be advertised is never real. The silence is working. Let it. Sign number 3, she starts stalking you online. Here's a modern classic. When a woman doesn't hear from you, she doesn't always reach out directly, but trust me, she's watching. Social media becomes her silent tool of curiosity. She starts checking your Instagram stories, lurking on your posts, even scanning through who's commenting or liking your stuff. It's her way of staying close without being obvious. She might never double-tap a post or leave a comment, but she'll be the first one to view your story. If you've ever wondered how she could know what you're up to when you haven't spoken, now you know. She's following the breadcrumbs online. And it's not just curiosity, it's insecurity mixed with a little jealousy. She's trying to figure out, have you really moved on? Are you with someone else? Are you happy without her? The danger here is giving her too much to feed on. Most men make the mistake of oversharing. They post intentionally to get her attention, trying to look unbothered, successful, surrounded by fun and people. But that just gives her answers. Don't give her clarity. Give her mystery. Keep your social presence calm, confident, and a little ambiguous. Let her wonder. Let her question. When she's stalking, it's proof that she's still emotionally connected. The goal isn't to provoke, it's to remain unfazed. You want her to feel like she's losing access to something valuable, without knowing for sure. That curiosity, it's your power now. Sign Natra 4. She tests you with mixed signals. Once she realizes you're not reaching out, she might start playing games to test your emotional state. This is where the mixed signals kick in. One day, she likes your post. The next day, she ignores your message. Then suddenly, she sends a "hope you're doing well" text, only to go cold again right after. Sound familiar? This inconsistency isn't accidental, it's calculated. She's trying to figure out if you're still under her spell. Are you still emotionally invested? Are you still waiting for her? The confusion this creates is strategic because confusion keeps people hooked. The more you try to decode her behavior, the more energy you waste on her. Here's what most men do wrong. They take the bait. They respond quickly to her friendly messages, then chase harder when she pulls away again. This shows her that she still controls the rhythm of your emotions, and the moment she knows that, the game continues. But when you stop responding to every breadcrumb, when you stop trying to decode her hot and cold routine, something shifts. She loses power. The best move you can make is to stay calm and consistent. Don't mirror her erratic behavior. Be unbothered, focused, and emotionally stable. Mixed signals aren't love, they're manipulation. And the more you resist reacting to them, the more she'll start questioning whether she can afford to keep playing games with a man who clearly values his own peace more than her attention. Sign number 5. She starts questioning her decision. Silence doesn't just affect her thoughts about you, it forces her to reflect on her own decisions. Maybe she thought she was right to walk away or thought she could do better, but when you go quiet and don't chase after her, that certainty begins to crumble. Suddenly, she's not so sure she made the right call. This is when the rewind begins. She starts going over past conversations, remembering moments when you showed genuine care, support, and interest. She begins to ask herself, did I misjudge him? Did I act too quickly? What if I don't find someone like him again? And that doubt, that's powerful. It only grows when you hold your frame. See, what makes her question herself isn't just your silence, it's what you do during that silence. If she sees you leveling up, staying grounded, focusing on your goals, she'll begin to realize she might have walked away from a man of real value. Too many men ruin this moment by chasing her for closure, validation, or another shot. Don't. Let her sit with the consequences of her choice. If she made a mistake, she needs to feel it deeply and reflect on it without your interference. This is the power of letting go, not out of spite, but from self-respect. When you stop trying to prove your worth to her, she finally starts to see it for herself. Sign number 6. She tries to make you jealous. This one's as old as time. When a woman feels your absence, one of the first tools she might reach for is jealousy. Suddenly, she's posting selfies with some guy, captioning her stories with "best night ever," or tagging herself at places she knows you'd notice. But let's get real. This isn't about her having fun. It's about making sure you're watching. The psychology behind it is simple. When you were around, your attention was her reassurance. Now that you're gone, she wants to confirm she still has emotional influence over you. If she can make you jealous, even just a little, she wins. She knows you still care. But here's the trap. If you take the bait and react, whether through anger, chasing, or trying to one-up her online, she gets exactly what she wanted. You just showed her she still controls your emotions. The real power move? Absolute silence. No comments, no likes, no reactions, nothing. Let her feel the emptiness of her own performance. Because if she's trying to get a rise out of you, it means your absence is getting to her. And the best revenge? Living well without giving her the satisfaction of a reaction. Remember, maturity isn't in how loudly you respond. It's in how calmly you don't. Let her play her games alone. You've outgrown that. Sign number 7. She moves on too quickly. Here's one that throws a lot of men off. She appears to move on immediately. Just days after your last message, she's suddenly posting about a new guy or flaunting a busy, exciting life. At first glance, it looks like she's over you, but don't be fooled. Often, quick rebounds are not signs of healing, they're signs of emotional avoidance. See, moving on fast is a coping strategy. It helps her avoid the discomfort of sitting with her own feelings. Instead of facing the void left by your absence, she fills it with distractions. Another person, a party lifestyle, anything that keeps her from thinking about what she lost. This isn't about you not being good enough. It's about her not wanting to feel vulnerable. And the mistake men make here is assuming her new connection is real and deep. It usually isn't. Relationships built out of fear or ego rarely last. What you're seeing is noise, not substance. So how should you respond? Don't. The worst thing you can do is try to compete or prove you're better. Your silence, once again, is your strength. Let her play out the rebound. Time will reveal whether it was real or just a distraction. In the meantime, keep focusing on you, on becoming better, stronger, and more grounded. Because while she's rushing to forget, you're building a version of yourself she might regret losing. So now you've seen it. Her silence isn't the whole story. It's a cover. Behind the fake smiles, the late-night posts, and the I'm fine facade. She's reacting. She's wondering if you're still thinking of her. She's questioning if she messed up. And most of all, she's feeling your absence louder than she ever felt your presence. But here's the twist. The more you stay silent, the more power shifts back to you. Not by being cold, not by playing games, but by choosing peace over panic, by focusing on your growth instead of her confusion. Because the real win isn't getting her back. It's becoming the man she regrets losing. And when that happens, you won't need to say a word.